The Department of Justice is more than sufficient to defend the government over former President Rodrigo Duterte's arrest by the International Criminal Court, according to Justice Secretary Jesus Crispin Remulla. Remulla's statement comes after Solicitor General Menardo Guevara's decision to recuse himself from the consolidated habeas corpus cases filed by Duterte's children before the Supreme Court. According to Remulla, Guevara's recusal was not on his clearance. And the Office of the Solicitor General is an attached agency of the DOJ. Despite Guevara's recusal from the case, Remulla says the DOJ will be more than sufficient to defend the government in the matter.
His refusal was not on my clearance. He does not clear things with me. But of course, I consider it a personal reason. And if he did not want to use the Office of the Solicitor General, that's his own reason. Because I think that the resources of the government should not be wasted in a time like this. I think that we have to put the best leader minds to work. But the DOJ will be more than sufficient to defend the position of the Republic in this matter.
When asked if he believed in Guevara's explanation that his reason for refusing to represent the government was institutional rather than personal, Remulla responded that he was not convinced.
I don't buy that, but it's okay. I will not argue with Mr. Guevara. I will not argue with him. He has recused himself, so we will take up this now.
Remulla then refuses to comment on the possible resignation or replacement of Guevara. According to Remulla, he has no plans to talk to Guevara about his decision as the DOJ now has to move on and prepare for the possible oral arguments before the High Court. The Justice Chief also reiterates his belief that Duterte's case is already a done deal as he's now facing charges before the ICC in The Hague. It was in a manifestation before the High Court that Guevara reiterated his stance that the ICC is prohibited from exercising jurisdiction over the country as the reason why he recused from the petitions of habeas corpus for Duterte. The ICC currently has custody of Duterte after he was arrested and sent to The Hague for crimes against humanity he allegedly committed during his administration's bloody war against drugs.